Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a custom Snapchat stickers. In order to create your custom Snapchat stickers, you'll have to have your Snapchat app updated. In order to update your Snapchat app, all you'll have to do is go to your Google Play Store and tap on the update button. And once you have updated your Snapchat app here, you'll be able to make your custom Snapchat stickers. Now let's get into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Snapchat app. To create your custom Snapchat sticker, save the pictures of your stickers into your camera roll. Once you have saved the preferred picture on your camera roll, open your Snapchat app and go to your camera roll. From here, select the picture that you want. And once you have selected the picture, here as you can see, you'll be directed towards a page from where you can edit the picture. And on here, on the right hand side corner, you can see various tools that are used for editing your picture. On the fourth option, you can see a scissors icon. From here, you'll have to tap on the scissors icon. And once you have tapped on the scissors icon, you can draw your own sticker pattern, or you can choose the draw option that will automatically redraw the border to refine your selection, or you can also choose the rectangle option so that your sticker will be cut out in a rectangular shape, and you can also choose ellipse option that will help you to cut out your sticker in a circle shape. For now, I will be using the draw option and I will be drawing the outline or border of my sticker. And once done with that, you can tap on the option done that is located on the very top right hand side corner. And here as you can see, the sticker has been made. And now in order to paste and send this sticker, all you'll have to do is tap on the done button that is located on the very top left hand side corner. Once you have tapped on it, here you'll get two options that are save as copy and discard changes. From here you'll have to tap on save as copy. And after that, your sticker will be successfully copied. After that, here you can take a picture in order to send a snap. And from you can see your saved stickers by going on the stickers icon that is located on the third option on the right hand side corner. On the stickers icon on the very top, you can see various icons, that is a star icon, a face icon, and on the fifth option there is a scissors icon. Tap on the scissors icon and here you can see all the stickers that you have customized. From here you can tap on the sticker that you want to send, and you can also select the size of your sticker and the position as to where you want to put your stickers in. And after that, you can tap on send to button and send the snap to your friends. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.